welcome and welcome back to my channel. Just Shanka's Curls here, aka Shanka, here with another video. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. Please be part of our little family by subscribing and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So in this video, we're gonna do this quick and easy hairstyle with some cornrow in the front with two bun in the back. Without further ado, let's hop right into that video. Let's get ready for this hairstyle. What you're gonna need for this hairstyle is, of course, your leave-in conditioner. We don't go without that. And then your gel and some water because our hair is dry. And you're gonna need hair like this. This is the one that I have. This is the one I'm gonna use, but whatever hair that you have, you can use it. So let's get started for this hairstyle. Add some water, a little bit, not a lot, just so I add a little bit of water so the comb can go in easily because I want a straight line going down. Just like that. Once you have a straight line, you're gonna get your hair ties. You're gonna so I can work with the other side. So I'm gonna take a small portion from that side. That's good, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna repeat the same step I made to the left side to the right. Make sure you separate them properly, so because you don't want to mess up our straight line. I'm gonna work with that side first. I'm gonna add some water. Make sure to add your leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use my gel now. Then I'm gonna brush. I'm gonna do the same thing from that side. So I'm gonna be repeating the same step. If you wanna detangle your hair, you can, but I didn't want to detangle mine. So I'm just gonna add some water. My hair already detangled because when I wash it, I already finger detangle it. Make sure that I add my leave-in conditioner because you want that hair to be moisturized. Gel. I'm brushing it going up because I want the style to go up, not down. We're gonna do some cornrow. So let me do like a style. Let me not do all straight. For this one, I'm gonna use edge wax. This little brush so I can brush it in. Cornrow this side as well too. You can leave your hair like that if you want to, but I want to add some beads right there, and I'm gonna add some excess hair right on top. This is how the hair look. It's Jeannette collection. So this is how the hair looks outside. Very natural looking. I'm gonna take a little bit, then I'm gonna add it in this side, like I'm gonna crochet it. I'm gonna show you guys one. Do this, and then use the loop, then hold that down, and then here we go, and then repeat it again. I'm gonna show you another one. So I'm gonna take it, put it inside it, and then I make this end up to be one. Then I do this, then like that, and then you're gonna end up having something like that, Kidoki. This is what I have. You're gonna need two. Voila, this is the final look. Oh, this side is longer than this side, but it's fine, right? It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching this super easy hairstyle that you can do in quick 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoy and love this video. Stay tuned, there will be more content coming from me soon. Bye.